Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday, March the 5th, 2024, Super Tuesday, yes. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8134. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box, there a dual box, here a dual box. And there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and 2, do not know in which order, let me mark those. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and here also 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me check. No triple boxes. Well. How about quadra boxes? Do we have here quadra boxes? Well, I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, well, the inside box is always the inside box of the L shape is always a 5. Okay. And then other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Do we have more quadra boxes here? We have a quadra box. Well, cannot fill those numbers, need to wait. Only 2 quadra boxes. Then the following step is to recognize, to look for shapes, figures, or structures that you need to recognize here. For example, the Z or the S construction. Well, this is the S construction. If you mirror this or flip this, you will get the Z. But it's the same shape. Yeah. Let me draw this one here. When you see this Z or the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Well, it can be 1. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. Then the following... No. I'm not finished with the S construction. Because this box is also has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Upside down, the T shape. The T shape upside down. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. Oh, no. We have another one here. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? You have more of this kind of shape? No, only one, yeah. This box, no. This shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? The L shape, upside down. The L shape. Well, this box has the same number as that box, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box. And those are, nope. Forgot this one. This is the same shape as that one. So this box has the same number as that box. Well, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the shapes, yeah. Maximum 6. We have all the shapes. And we have all the shapes. Figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes, so round 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box should be also 2. And this one is also connected with that one. Is also a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes, so round the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Well, then this box can be 5, that box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then these are 3 boxes. So round the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 and the 2. We already have a 1 there, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be here. Then, yeah, this box can be 4, this box can be 5, so the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this Z or the S construction for number 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, and now. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Well. 2. Let me think. This box can be 3. This box can be 2. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit. Of course, it's connected. Forgot to put the 1 there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be in, the 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 2 goes there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And I need a 4 here. Alright, these two boxes can be 2, these two boxes can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. Alright. Now, let me see. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. But also this box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for 2 in this area should be here. Then, I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then. These two boxes can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then these two boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. For the 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped quadra box should be there. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Wow. Surprising, with 6 shapes, figures, structures or constructions in this puzzle. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Super Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.